Hey everyone, I am Christina, and today we are getting into how we create a tree lantern that you could put anywhere in your home. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. We have an exciting project that I am so happy to share with you. I am Christina. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching and participating with me in this DIY project. As usual, I include what you need. Today we are going to build a tree lantern, and I'm excited about it because I always like to do new things or try something different. So if you've seen any of my old videos, I have done a lantern out of a vase before, and I loved how it came out. I actually still have it. If you want to go back to that video, I have put the link here for you to see. But yeah, I love it, and I wanted to do the same thing, something in my dining room that I could have all year round when it's not like a special holiday or a special occasion. It's just something that sits and go with the rest of my decor in my dining room. So let's get into it, get your supplies and get what you need, and just follow along and let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Okay, so we getting into the foil part. Be patient with yourself with this part. It's not supposed to like come together perfectly. You want to kind of create a design, and especially what I was going for. I wanted an abstract kind of pattern. If you can see a little bit of my painting on the wall in the video, it's kind of like sporadic, and I wanted to break up the foil in that way. So all I did was use a brush. I put the foil down, use the brush to break it. So I flattened the brush to flatten it, and then like picked it with the tip of the brush. So it's a super easy trick, and I enjoy doing this. But again, be patient with yourself. It's not going to be perfect, and it's not meant to be perfect. You just want to give this glass some kind of definition, some just, I don't know, like a creative art piece on the glass that's really gonna go nice with this lantern. So I enjoyed this, but again, it's very tedious when it comes to messing with foil. Okay, so if you're gonna use this rope technique as well, just be patient with yourself again, and make sure you're just following the line, and the start of it should be your back of your vase that you want to not show in the front. So trying to unline it is going to be very tedious like the foil was, but once you have the area where you want to keep it, you'll go back and you will glue it to keep its place, right? So glue it where you see like, okay, this is where I know I want it to stay, and then keep going around to complete it and glue as you're going along. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about that, just please let me know. When you start to put in the branches, make sure that you are placing it in the back of the vase, so that way you have enough room to put your candle or anything else you want to put in your vase. You want to make sure you definitely leave enough room. It should be enough room in there where your hand could go down in there. And if you have a smaller vase, just use a smaller candle and maybe just one branch instead of two. In this part, I'm using two because I want it to be very full. This is a tall vase, so I want it to be full and tall. I'm at least trying to get it up to 3 feet. So as you can see, it is going to be a tall one. This is the part that is very fun as well. When you put in your greenery on the branches, just let them flow naturally. You know, they get all tangled up. If you're looking for a great discount place to get some of these, I have found them at Michael's. They actually had them like 70% off because they were some of their older season items. So don't be afraid to shop clearance, shop other department stores and see who has like the tree, like I guess summer items and spring items and stuff that they're just really trying to get rid of. So what I also did, just to give a quick little tip, is that if I wanted a leaf to stay a certain way, as you see in the video, I am going to glue it in that way. So that way it stays just like that. And you'll notice as we keep going along that there are areas that I do glue. There are flowers that I am going to glue. And there are other branches of stems that I am going to glue. So that is to keep everything in place, keep everything sturdy, and that way no matter where you move it around the house, it will stay in its place. In this part, I kind of laid my flowers where I wanted them to be before gluing them down. Also, when you have extra stems that's hanging off the greenery, just clip them off, and then anything extra you could like kind of wrap it around the branch so it will stay as you're gluing. But be very playful with your flowers. You'll see in a minute, the more you do, the more fuller it will look. In the beginning of the process, it kind of looks a little slim, but as you keep going along, it gets very full and beautiful. There you have it, guys. It is complete. I love the way it came out. This will sit directly where it is right now in my dining room, and it gives something nice and pretty to be on this wall where mirrors are by itself. I hope you enjoyed the project with me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.